Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Postal, and today at the grill, I want to show you how to break down a chicken into 8 different parts. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this video. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. Another way to prepare a whole chicken for the grill is to break it down completely into 8 different parts. The process is actually real simple to do. It only takes a few minutes. So what you're going to do first is take a sharp knife and you're just going to score along the leg quarter. When we're doing this, we want to cut closer to the leg so that we leave more of that skin onto the breast portion. Next, we're going to take our palms and just press down firmly onto this chicken and just give it a little tug. And you'll notice that the bone joints begin to pop, and that's exactly what you're looking for. So begin to take your knife and just cut through that joint. There you go, you have one leg quarter. The same on this side here. Just cut through that joint. Next, we're going to tackle the wings. So with this, you'll notice that if you hold the wing upright, you'll feel the joint right in here, and this is exactly where we're going to cut. So again, take your knife, find that joint, and slice through it. There we go. We'll do the other side. Pull up the wing. Find where that joint is and just slice around it. There we go. I'm going to put the breast portion aside for now while we finish breaking down this leg quarter. So this is where you do have the option of keeping it as one full leg quarter or breaking it down into the thigh as well as the drumstick. And so to do that, what we're going to do is flip it over, and you'll notice that there's various veins of fat here. And with a little bit firmer knife, we're just going to find this vein of fat right here. We're going to slice through that. And you'll notice that you'll cut straight through that joint, giving you one thigh portion as well as one drumstick. Again, we'll do this to this other leg quarter. Again, find that vein of fat, and then slice through. There you go. All right, so let's come back to the breast now, and there's 2 ways of removing this breast portion. You can either remove it with the bone on or the bone off. I prefer to do it with the bone off to get that boneless chicken breast. To do that, I'm gonna take my knife, I'm gonna just slice down that keel bone. We're just going to begin to open that up, and you'll see that once you make your first incision, the keel bone will be quite visible. So we're just going to continue to slice down that keel bone, and then eventually you'll get to the wishbone. We're just going to take our knife and we're going to run our knife just straight down that wishbone. And once it's done, we're just going to continue to score the meat as we pull it off the rib cage. So there we go. We have one nice boneless breast portion. Let's go ahead and finish this other setup. Again, we're going to start by slicing down the side of the keel bone. Then when we get to that wishbone, we're just going to take our knife and slide it down, as it almost acts like a little bit of a guide. And just with your knife, just slowly work your way down that rib cage. There we go. One of the benefits to using this method when cutting down your chicken is that you're left with all of the bones, which you can throw this directly in a pot and make some incredible stock. Breaking down a chicken like this into 8 parts is simple to do and can save you a lot of money down the road. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, we'll see you next time.